do the wrong has to go out, okay? Let's try. Simon says, touch your head. Touch your knees. Simon says, clap your hands. Stop. Ooh, you guys are good. Simon says, touch your knees. Touch your tummy. Simon says, touch your tummy. Simon says, touch your nose. Touch your eye. You guys are good. Touch your shoulder. Jump. Clap hands. Simon says, touch your shoulder. Close your eyes. Simon says, stick out your tongue. Close your mouth. Simon says, pull your ears. Touch your nose. Very good, you guys. Touch your tummy. Jump. Simon says, jump. Freeze. Simon says, clap hands. Stop. Hey, everybody's a winner. You both are the winner.
Good job.
Good job, Lee. Simon said.
You're so proud of me.
Oh yeah, I'm very proud of you.